What's up, what's up, what's up? I can't say.
What's up, everyone? Honey, come.
What's up, guys?
So, sorry, we're back. It is the 25th of January and we just came back on Tuesday. Yesterday, we actually didn't even do anything. Teddy just dashed out to do a few things and he was meant to go gym, but he didn't end up going gym. It's my dad's 59th birthday, so we're going to take him out for dinner. I actually was meant to go to band practice because we have a birthday coming up on Saturday. I've asked for annual leave yet again to go to take my dad out for dinner, and we shall see you at the restaurant.
See you guys.
Yes! SOT Records!
How's the food, love?
It's really good.
Good.
Like, really good. It's like, I feel like I'm gonna cry good.
How many rounds? How many rounds are you gonna go?
I don't know, we'll see. Okay guys, so this is my dad. Everyone meet my dad. Oh. Okay guys, so Lanston has just vomited on me. Oh, but he vomited on himself. I'm such a liar. Hey, my siblings, they don't want to be on camera. Dad, you want to say anything? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad. Happy birthday to you. Yamanu yaloa sofana. Yamanu yaloa sofana. Yamanu yaloa sofana. Yamanu yaloa sofana. Hooray! Hooray! One for Jesus, hip hip! Hooray!
What's up, guys? So we're here at church. Sarah's got band practice. and they're actually playing at a birthday on Saturday. I think Sarah might just take the camera and vlog that day. Hopefully she's not too busy. Anyways, we go to Thomastown AOG. Sorry, let me get that right. Assembly of God, Church of Samoa, Thomastown. Our pastor is Apuani Tapuala Unasa.
The question is, why are you in the same clothes and it's the next day, boy?
I don't know, man.
Oh, okay, so my dad's birthday was awesome last night. And then we went to the beach. It's myself, one of the youth boys, and my youth leader. We just wanted to go and hang out. We went to the beach and we actually stayed there till like 5 in the morning. And we didn't get home till like 6ish. And then we fell asleep and it's about 12:30. And we have decided to finally go home. So we slept at our youth leader's house, which explains my poor husband still in these same clothes. Shout out to Kathy for sponsoring me with her PJs. I've got band to go to. Also, we were meant to go at 12, but my band leader has pushed it back to 2. And that's basically my day that I will be having today. So yeah.
Also guys, it's Australia Day today. To be honest, I've been here for 7 years. I know it's to celebrate Australia, but I don't know what you actually do. All I know is you get a day off. So to everyone out there,
Happy Australia Day! Australians all and us rejoice, for we are young and free. We're home now. Hi everyone, so our band practice has just finished. This is my team leader, Sana Unasa. Drummer, Ugly, Kathy. We're going home now. We have a gig tomorrow, but we'll see you then. Bye.
I don't know in English.
Good morning. It's about 11 past 10. It's actually gig day. Last night I was actually feeling really sick after the movie. This morning I feel a bit better. I'm still not feeling 100. Anyways, I'm about to do my makeup. My sister does my makeup because I'm just horrible at makeup. We'll be heading over to Diane's house because we're carpooling. We'll see you there.
Pero yo me enteré que te debes a alguien.
wife's going. Just dropped her off. My wife.
Bye.
What am I gonna do?
I'll see you soon. Bye.
Don't close it. Okay guys, now check if she's left anything. Right now I've got to go to Turtle Tools and then I'll make my way to the gym. Just want to do a bit of cardio, some abs, and then try and get some work on the vlogs. All of you that have already subscribed, thank you so much. Me and Sarah will try our best to keep the content coming regularly. We'll try and keep it as interesting as possible. Just bear with us as we are new to all of this kind of stuff. Being in front of the camera is not my thing. I cringe every time I edit videos. I cringe so much because it's like, what the? I hate my voice. Kick it with me for today, or until what comes. Let's do this.
Yo. Yo. 97 Nasty. Yeah. Yo.
What's up, family? I has just arrived to the church. Yeah, I'm on my way to go and get her now. Yay, I'm famous now.
Good morning.
Happy Sabbath, everyone. See us in our nice attire. Just remember, we're still fresh from Samoa.
We're still feeling a bit foggy, guys.
So we're making our way to church. Service starts at 10 a.m.
Yeah, 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. We gotta get there early because Cez is, like we mentioned a lot of times in the vlog, Cez is in the worship team, and it's my duty, the husband, to get her there on time.
And guys, he does an amazing job because sometimes our band needs to be there at 7 o'clock in the morning, and my husband actually takes me.
Remember, one time I didn't even have a shower. The sacrifices of a husband.
Why would you tell everyone that? Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're going to church. For those of you that don't know, we go to Assembly of God Church of Samoa in Thomastown. We love serving God. We love just going. This is actually our first service of 2018 and I'm so excited. Yesterday was like an awesome gig. I was so knackered. I was that tired that I jumped in bed. I asked my husband, I jumped in bed and I laid there like a fish. Like a dead fish. I had a shower and I just laid on the bed and I was a dead fish. And my husband had to say, can you lie straight on the bed? Yeah. I hope you guys have a blessed Sabbath, and let's continue to uplift each other, continue to give good vibes to one another. And I challenge you today, if you see anyone that is like down or that needs an encouragement, go up to them and just say to them, are you okay? Do you need to be encouraged? And just give them some encouragement or your support, because I know that someone that is feeling down would love that. God says to love your neighbor.
Yep. And it's not hard to be kind, or it's hard to love someone. It doesn't cost anything. All it costs is your little bit of energy and your little bit of time and that little bit of space. And who knows, they might blow you off, but at least you've done your part. And then next time, maybe next time, they might see you again and then they'll blow you off again.
But anyways, I hope we all have a blessed Sabbath.
Yeah.
And see you soon.
Guys, it is scorching today. Usually what I do after I've dropped Sarah off is I'll come to either Woolies or go to the bakery over there, and usually I'll get a pie. I don't know, not really that hungry because we had a late night feed. I opted to go with a bit of pineapple, some energy, some of this. This is I love this so much. Big bottle of water for me, and the water for Sarah. Then I usually go down to the ATM, get some money for my tithing. My tithing, that's supposed to come out first thing. And today I forgot. But there's a lot of time this year for change. A lot of time this year to make things better, to get things right. Do the simple things right. And then I usually have a little tradition of taking the car down to the car wash. I mean, to BP, because they got a good automatic car wash. Fill up the car, you know, just little stuff like that. And I feel like I'm already like ticking goals off the list, and it sets me up for the rest of the day. And we'll show you what we usually get up to on Sundays with the fam.
But we have to continue to glorify our God today, because today is our Sabbath day. Amen. We had an awesome night last night. Last night, Jehovah Jireh was invited to a birthday, and we enjoyed ourselves so much. So today we are going to continue the glory that we gave last night as well. So may you be blessed. Feel free to stand up if you want to stand up and dance. I know it's hot, but today we have to just let all our praise out. Be free, amen. Come with the expectation. So may you be blessed in Jesus' name, amen.
There is a movement of the Holy Spirit in His house this morning.
Yeah.
Church has just finished, and it's a tradition for us to come outside and just stand here, and it takes it takes us ages just to go home. Anyways, I want you guys to meet one of me and Taru's like closest friend, like bestest friend, like our ugly and annoying sister, Bowen. So guys, we have a meeting today at Pastor's house. We'll be going to Pastor's house for our youth meeting. Oh my honey! This is my pastor, Pastor Apoane Unasa.
Just finished our service. It's an awesome day for us. Blessing of the Holy Spirit. Thank God, PTL. God bless you.
Bye guys, say hi to the vlog. Okay, so guys, Tuxx has just gone inside to Epping Plaza. We went to the KFC that's outside of the shopping center, but it's so packed. They're renovating inside and only drive-through is working, and it's just too crazy there. So we thought we'll come inside Epping Plaza while he will go inside. I'm too hot to even move. But he's gone inside, he's getting KFC. We have a meeting today, the beginning of the year meeting, committee meeting for our youth. Our youth is God's image. I'm going to leave a link below. Go and follow us. Yeah, I'm just feeling really exhausted, and I feel like I'm still jet lagged from the trip. I haven't slept properly, and I'm just overtired. I feel overworked, but like a good overworked, if that makes sense. Anyways, what's up everyone? So I just like in my room, I was just about to edit some vlogs, and I could hear my sister like she put on a DVD. I think it's like a book. It was one of the midwives gave her a book of like rhymes, and it came with a DVD. It's failing. This is what's happening. I like it. My sister is being extra. today and Lanston's not feeling her. Lanston, quality time together. Oh, he's so cute. Hey everyone, we've come to the end of our vlog, and I should probably turn it on.
So yeah, right now we're editing the vlog, doing the final touches. This Tuesday,
It's Tuesday night.
30th,
Yeah.
30th of Jan. Yeah, it's very hard editing these vlogs and trying to decide if it's good enough or not, but we both decided that with these vlogs, this year is the year, and we've been talking smack for long, and we've finally brought it to life.
We've taken this year as we're not going, just in our life in general, we've decided to not really talk about our dreams or talk about what we want to do, but instead we're going to action it. So I'm so glad that we have decided to just put ourselves out there, and you know, we're doing it for the fun of it. We're doing it to show our lives to you, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah.
But most of it, like I think we said it before on the Samoa vlog. Oh, I can't remember, but it's like we've done so many vlogs. I can't remember which one we done. But we want to show all you people that are watching out there what our lives are like, and we feel like we have something to share. And I know it sounds real like corny, or that, you know, we are unique in our own way, and we truly believe that being people of faith, you know, we are all made uniquely. So we're not looking for glory. We're not trying to
be famous.
We're not trying to be something we're not.
Yeah, we're just trying to show you our lives, give you the insight of our lives. We just want to show you guys, and we hope that you really do enjoy watching us.
Yeah.
And yeah, so the first shout out that we wanted to do was to our girl Olivia Lau.
What's up?
She actually messaged me and she was like, oh, I'm so excited. She's gonna subscribe, or she has subscribed, and she's turned on her notification bell. And we will be doing shout outs every week. I also want to give a special shout out to my sister Atevria and Sinclair. We give you a special happy birthday and a special shout out. We love you so much. And also to my girl Ofera, the birthday that we attended on Sunday. Ofera Jordan Masoi, happy birthday as well. Guys, don't forget to
subscribe,
like,
share,
and comment
down below.
And turn on your notification.